In this video, we'll discuss the motor controller antenna installation. Before starting, it is important to recognize the antennas for the remote monitoring kit and the motor controller are very similar, the difference being the connectors. On jobs that include the installation of a remote monitoring kit, take care to avoid mixing up the antennas. The ANT001 is designed for use with the turn-tied motor controller. The ANT002 is designed for use with the turn-tied RMK. Select an antenna mounting location near the motor controller that will not impede normal maintenance procedures. Drill a 7/8 inch hole and install the weatherproof connector. Assemble the antenna mounting kit by first connecting the two EMT sections using the EMT coupling. Attach the box cover to the EMT using the EMT connector. Mount the antenna assembly using the two 1/2 inch EMT hangers. Route the antenna coax down through the 1/2 inch EMT, through the weather-tight connector, and into the unit. Remove the short antenna attached to the motor controller. Attach antenna coax to the motor controller finger tight. Do not over-tighten. Over-tightening can damage the connection. Neatly bundle the excess coax. Finally, form a drip loop in the antenna coax and seal the connector with silicone caulk to prevent water from entering the unit.